COVID also has highlighted, and our political mess has highlighted, that we need students to become co-owners. They are self-determined learners, means they can manage their own learning. They're owners of their own learning. They're purposeful, but also they are also productive members of a school and a society. That is, means that they also become owners of learning environments. We want students to participate in changing our school facilities, in managing our libraries, in talking about our school governance and school rules. But also I want to highlight another point. Today's youth are very active. Look at Greta Thunberg, the Swedish woman who started an international movement about climate change. We need to involve our children, if possible, as active citizens of the world. Because I really also am very concerned right now, COVID has split the society. I don't think COVID did that, but COVID is a good example of how societies are splitting. Globalization right now is going through a process of reconfiguration. If you look at US-China relationship, China with other countries, look at what's happening now is not good for human beings. I'm very concerned. We need to get our children who will be leading that. So overall, I would think children are not going to be ready for the future. Children are the creators of the future. I don't like it when schools or systems say we will get our children ready for the future. There's no future. The future is made by our children. We prepare them to participate, to create a better future for all of us, for our retirement.